Okay, hello. I'll make this a quick tutorial na lang. And I did some things dun sa elements para mas mapabilis kayo ng paggawa. Unlike the other time that I showed the tutorial. This is the elements that you'll need. I'll keep this later as I upload this video on YouTube para mabalik-balikan niyo siya. So open a new file and then go to photo and then choose portrait 5x7 with 300 ppi. Click that open and now may open na kayong file. Go to your folder. Click the signing in 1.1. Open it. Pagka-open nyo, you'll see two files na naka-open sa top part. I want you to drag the untitled one and then drag it to the side until makita kayo ng kulay blue na ganyan. If you do, release. And then magiging ganito yung interface nyo. After that, you can start working on your ano na. Ngayon, kukuha tayo ng photo ni, ni M. Okay, so with the chosen photo, try nyo i-resize para hindi makita yung white spot sa gilid. And then click check. After that, click remove background and then wait for it to process. After that, medyo wonky yung edges. So we double click on this layer mask. And then you can see feather. You put feather on 1.5 and then smooth on 1. Then click OK. Yan. Medyo umayos na yan. Kahit paano, umayos na siya. Ngayon, what was the reason bakit pina-open ko sa inyo ng dalawang ganito? It's for you to balance out or to see kung ano yung levels nung first document para makopya nyo siya or kung ano. Hindi naman kailangan sobrang perfectly aligned pero kasi yung mga nakalagay sa taas. So you really need to be careful on what to put and where to put them. Ayan, so pagka ayos nyo ng resizing ng photo kung saan siya dapat, you grab your folder again. Grab your folder again. And then you click on background and then drag and drop nyo dun sa current photo natin. After that, you click check and put it behind the photo of the officer. After that, you install these fonts. Select nyo ng ganito and then right click, you'll see this install. Ano mang mangyayari masama, yun lang naman. Install. Pagka-install, ayun nalabas. Since I have it installed, magkaganto yung prompt. Pero usually, ito lang. Ganyan lang yan. Wala na kayo ibang kailangan gawin. Ayan, nag-process lang siya. And then, after that, I'm going to grab this. Pag hindi nyo siya mag-grab kasi may filter sa taas, you look for it sa baba until you hit documentary. Pag na-click nyo na yan, you Control-C and then click dito sa current photo natin and then Control-V. Lalabas siya and then you place it accordingly kung saan siya dapat. Kung hindi man sobrang align, go ahead. I will send a photo file din nito para if ever mabakat nyo na lang. Sige, try natin gawin. Para may sample talaga. I'll export it and then put it in the signing elements. Yeah. Okay, so now na nag-export na yun, let's open it up sa folder. Okay. Drag and drop again. And then dalhin siya sa may likod ng officer natin. And then turn the opacity very low. Like 20, 25, 20 to 30 until ayan. Hanggang sa makita nyo kung saan talaga dapat nakalagay ito. Ayan. Since it's there, we leave it as it is. And then ilagay nyo kung ano yung yung position ng officer na ginagawa niya. Since this is just a sample, I'll just recreate pero with a different person. Nakalimutan ko kasi yung positions ng iba. So, then grab your signing in again. And then logo crown with doodle, drag and drop again. Pagka drag and drop nyo yan, medyo magiging out of place lang to. Pero, liitan nyo lang siya ng onte. And then, i-align nyo lang. Nothing, no harm done for it. Kung kailangan nyong ilabas yung ibang parts, you can do so. So, medyo nag-ano siya. Zoom in kung nahihirapan kayo ng onte. Ayan. Medyo hindi siya pantay, no? So, lakayan niyo pa ng onte. Laki pa ng onte. Onte pa. It's just the process of being patient. That is all. Yan. Nag-align na siya. So, okay na yan. Click check. Then, zoom out. Para makita niyo yung whole process niya. So, medyo may progress na agad. Now, I want you to grab a text box or kung ano man tawag dyan. Click at the back and then grab your other font which is named Squareworm. So, dito, SQ. So, kapag ganito yung lumabas, delete nyo lang to. And then, you select that, go to properties, and then makikita nyo dito yung type options. Kailangan lahat naka-capital. Like that. Para maglahat siya mag-capital letters dyan. Ngayon, hindi ko sure kung anong gusto ni M na ano. Pero I'll put M for now. And then we just Control T to transform and make it bigger. So kung gusto nyo i-stretch yung image or yung text, you hold shift. Ayan, magsistretch siya. Kung ganito kasi, medyo weird siya in a way. Pero yeah, tatanong ko na lang din later or some other time ko ano yung ilalagay ko. Talaga. Pero yan. Lalagay natin siya sa likod. Or hindi, wag muna. Sige. Ngayon, nandiyan siya sa harap. You click a new layer. Pagka-click nyo ng new layer, you turn the opacity of the text down as well. Huwag naman sobra. Enough to see and enough to make it a reference. Then click layer 1, the one you created a while ago. And then get your brush. And then it must be set to 14 para magaya yung laki ng dito. Ngayon, since I have it pre-saved here, I'll use it, but I will send it again to everyone when I put out the tutorial for it. Hala, napalitan ko yung color na to. Ayan, okay. So layer 1, you grab your brush. You can zoom in if you want, pero this is fine. You click once. You click once and then hold shift. Click. While still holding shift, you're still holding shift dito. Click. Ngayon, this process doesn't need to be as aligned as it can, just enough to make it seem like it is the shape of the letter. Now that that's done, you grab your move tool and then you hide this, tanggalan nyo ng mata tong M or yung text para matanggal siya. And then put this drawing at the back of your photo. Ayan, okay. So, since M lang kasi yung gusto niya itawag, I'll put that for now. Pero I do think it's better na kung ano man yung first name ni Manolo. Kung ano mang ibang pwedeng itawag sa kanya para mas maganda yung sana. Pero yes. So with that, tapos na yung letters. So, ngayon, gagawin natin is these doodles. So, what you can do is grab your brush tool again, and then grab a white swatch, and then create a new layer. Huwag niyong pagsasamahin yung layer ng letter M or nung name sa likod and then the doodles. That's layer 1. Layer 1 is the name, and then layer 2 is your doodles. So you can zoom in again on this and then just create a few doodles here and there. Get tayo ng star. Kung gusto nyo gamitin your shift tool, it's fine for more detailed stars or whatever. Something like that. And then you can put a little like wink thing here. Let me grab my brush. Something like that. Like that. Yeah. And then you can put it inside and then just if it looks good, we keep it. If it doesn't, we don't keep it. It's that simple. Siguro ano, we erase that and then just do a simple siguro di nakadikit sa mata. So, dito kayo medyo magtatagal, lalo na kapag gusto nyo ng custom talaga. And then what I can do is duplicate this and then make smaller ones or smaller one. Make it unique. Yeah, something like that. And then do a little bit of more on the sides. Something like that. Alright, teka. Go wild with it. Or release a little bit of your creativity in doing these. As long as you get like slope or like squiggly lines talaga. Don't do straight kasi magre-repeat to itong setting na to. So don't. Kung stars or like rectangles, okay lang siguro. Pero don't do these again. Kung gusto nyo ng like mas smooth and hindi mo kang jagged kapag nanginginig kayo, you can turn up the smoothing right here. Let's say 27. Makikita nyo naman agad yung difference. Ayan. Medyo hindi siya sumusunod agad kasi like iniiwasan niya yung edge, yung jagged na lines na ginagawa ng mouse mo. It's to help it gain more focus. Yeah. Okay. So I think I'm okay with this one. And then we add the stars. Go to your elements folder, grab the stars, and then pick out a color, any color. Pero just pick one for the whole photo. So find that. Huwag tayo mag-silver kasi may silver, may star na white here. You can use gold. So if you use this, right saan, and again, it's either you grab another one or you can hold Alt while dragging this out. Yeah. Make it a different size, turn it around. Hindi magmukhang stale or like there's nothing new about it. Parang ganon. Okay, so now that we've have this laid out, I want you to click on this image or this Photoshop file and then look for any of these. Okay, so let's go to layer 5. So layer 5 has these effects, no? I want you to right click it and then copy layer style. Once you do that, you click on the new um, poster that you're making and then put it on everything. Not specifically everything, pero ito, okay. Yung stars, lalagyan natin yan ng effect. So, right-click and then paste layer style. Then, gagayahin nyo yung layer style na nandito. Okay, so yung stars, pwede natin siyang i-group by doing this. So, you hold this one, artboard 3, copy 2, and then artboard 3 hanggang dito. So, you hold shift while doing this para maselect lahat ng nasa loob. By clicking right-click, you merge the layers. Or you can do Control E if masanay kayo doon. And then, when you do that, sabay-sabay na silang mawawala. Ngayon, we paste the layer style, lahat sila magkakaroon na. Okay, so that's one of our goals, diba? And then the other thing na lalagyan nyo ng shadow is the stars and the squiggly lines. So this is layer 2. You paste the layer. Okay, and magkaroon siya. And then yung M natin sa likod. You paste layer style again and then magkakaroon siya. Okay, now what's left for the photo is this, diba? Yung strip and then our filter sa ibabaw. Ngayon, we open another file, another Photoshop file. But hindi tayo mag-new file. We open and then we grab our element, photo strip. And so mag-open to. And we pick the photos that will go inside. So let's pick 3. Wala, ayaw lumabas. And then grab more. Can do this. And then one last one. Ay, hindi. Check muna pala dito. And then, tsaka tayo maglalagay. Medyo tignan nyo din Don't just drag and place. Kasi like this one, medyo imbalance. Ito may sombrero, ito may sombrero, ito wala. What you can do is swap out this one over here. And this one would go down here. Ito sa gitna. And then put the photo strip on top. Makikita nyo, hala, may mga gantong instances. Very easy to fix. Just put it on top. And it's gonna basically disappear. Tansya-tansyahin na lang kung saan tatama, kung saan hindi. Para makita nyo kung ano yung kailangan nyo hindi. If you do know how to crop on Photoshop, that's better. Pero for speedness wise, this is fine already. Ngayon, with this, diba, may ganito na tayo. Ngayon, we file and then quick export as PNG. And then nilagay nyo kung saan nyo kailangan. Pero lalagay natin ng M kasi M yung pangalan ng officer. Ngayon, when you click X on this, do not save the PNG. Kasi pag sinave nyo to, wala na kayong pwedeng gamitin na photo strip for other members. So now that I have that, let's go to designing in elements ulit. And we have this one. Okay, we drag and drop. And then we resize and look at how it's going to look good on our officer right here. Kung dito ba or dito. Pero feeling ko it's not like good and pareho sila nakalin doon. Okay, so I think this would be a good angle on it. Pwede nyo namang alisin tong star na to dito or move it. I'll show you later. So I'm gonna put it here. Get a little bit bigger. And lalitan pa natin natin. Ayan. Okay. Arrow keys if you must. Tansyahin nyo na lang. And then we paste the layer style again. Ayan. Nakikita nyo naman. Ay, hindi. Iba pala yung layer style na to. Sorry. You grab the photo strip ng kabilang photo or ng original photo natin. Hanapin nyo na lang. Pero it's Artboard 2. Copy layer style and then click on your new poster. Paste layer style. Yan. Kailangan kasi medyo mas malaki yung shadow nito. Kasi it's a different element. Okay, so ngayon, may gusto akong ilipat na star kasi natatakpan siya. Ngayon, nag-group ko na to. Paano yun? Okay. You grab this marquee tool. You select your star. You want to move. After selecting that, you grab the move button and now you can just move this one. Ilitan natin onte. Yeah. We select and that's okay. Yeah, now that we're almost done with it, everything's in place, everything is good. Lahat may ano. Ngayon, we add our texture. It's linear. Okay, nakalagay na siya dito kung ano yung gagawin nyo sa kanya. So, linear yung layer style and then the opacity is 97. So, it's your job right now to put this on top of your photo. Like that. And then rotate. Put a little bit of style on it. Gilid nyo or somehow, some way. Pero now that that's there, we do linear dodge. And then put 97 or 97 on it. Okay, so there you go. Ngayon, move nyo ng onte. Kung gusto nyo nang gayahin to, it's fine. Pero you can't really do that. Or medyo mahirap siyang i-replicate if gusto nyo talagang i-replicate. But it's fine. If you can, good job. But it's not required. Ngayon, mapapansin nyo, parang medyo maliwanag si DepM kesa kay documentary. So here's where another tip comes in. Ngayon, we click this and then we search for our levels. Curves. Now, when you have the curves, may lalabas na curves 1 dito. You right-click that and then you create clipping mask para yung picture lang, the original picture, will be edited. Ngayon, I'll tweak this para hindi masyado maliwanag si TepM or to like balance out the colors of the photo and all of that. Give it the justified shadows and all of that. Kung ayaw nyo namang gumawa nun, we can always do this. Kung gusto nyo gayahin yung exposure ay yung curves na to, copy this. Kung walang copy na lumabas, it's fine. You can click that, Control C, and then Control V. Lalabas siya dyan. You delete the original one you made, and then you create clipping mask for this. Kaso kasi, ang dilim ni Kuya dito. So, we're not going to use it. Going to edit this to a point na it would look better. For me, this is good. There you go. Nakapag-replicate na kayo ng ano, ng photo natin. So that's it for this one. And then you just save as. And then we'll be uploading a folder then kung saan nyo i-upload yung PSD and then the PNG type of the ano. And then yung ano, ang file name is file ng name ng officer and then their position. Something like that. Okay? So when you save that, maximize compatibility. After saving the PSD, you export, quick export as PNG. And then, and same name, save. When nag-load siya, you can check it. That's already here. So that's it for this for this tutorial. If may questions kayo, do check or DM me on Messenger, Discord, or anything. Thank you guys. Bye.